Hi, this is SAP SD tutor with Uplatz. Now I am going to cover part 1 of SAP methodology. Now I will share the screen. Now I have opened the Word document. So as I already told you, now our topic is SAP methodology. What is this SAP methodology? I will explain. So what is this SAP methodology? Means SAP stands for Accelerated SAP. So SAP methodology means it is accelerated SAP, means how fast we can implement SAP in a effective manner. Its purpose is to help design SAP implementation in most efficient manner So the main purpose of SAP methodology is to implement SAP in a most efficient manner. Its goal is to effectively optimize time, people, and other resources for SAP implementation. So the main purpose of this SAP methodology is to optimally we have to use our resources. It may be time, people, and any other resources. We have to optimally utilize those resources for effective implementation of SAP. Now, So now I will explain you point by point. As a consultant, we will be placed in either implementation projects or support projects. So as a consultant, we have to deal two types of projects. One is implementation project and other one is support projects. I will explain you one by one. First, we will go for implementation projects. So first we will deal with implementation project. So what is this implementation project? I will explain you one by one. So what is implementation project means? Configuring client business newly into SAP. So for the first time, if you implement SAP in your client office, in your client organization, that is implementation project. Whenever implementation partner receives order from client, they start using SAP methodology. Here, two types of organizations are there. One is implementation organization, another one is client organization. What is implementation organization or implementation partner means? This is responsible for introducing SAP into client organization. So two parties are there. Whoever implement SAP, they are called implementation partner. Whoever gets the SAP into their organization, that is called client organization. Next is SAP methodology consists of guidelines to implement SAP that is step by step implementing of SAP. So this SAP methodology means here the total guidelines will be there. Here there will be step-by-step processes there to implement SAP. Next, SAP methodology consists of five phases. So there are five phases in SAP methodology. So one by one, first I will mention all those phases. Later we go for one by one explanation. So first phase is project preparation. Second is business blueprint. Third is realization. Fourth is final preparation. Fifth is go live and support. So there are five phases in implementation projects. So those five phases are project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live and support. One by one, we will see this. First, we will go for project preparation. In project preparation phase, the management from implementation partner and management from client will involve. So first, what they will do is both managements, implementation partner managements and client managements will involve in a meeting first in project preparation stage. Here, next is user activities. User activities. What are these user activities? I will explain. Any client if they want to implement SAP they need to purchase user licenses from SAP company. So first, any client, if they want to implement SAP in their organization, they have to purchase user licenses from SAP company. Based on number of end users they decide on how many user licenses to be purchased from SAP. So first they have to find out how many end users will use SAP. Basing on that, they have to purchase those many user licenses. Next, sharing of licenses can be done if they have shift-wise work system. So if they run shifts in their company, so they can use those licenses, they can change those licenses. They will give those licenses to another shift employees also. There is no problem for that. Next is infrastructure. They will list out, they must decide. They must decide where to place the servers. So there are so many servers after SAP implementation. So they have to decide the place where they can maintain those servers within their company premises. Next is I will explain. Implementation partner. Implementation partner. They will list out all the consultants who are going to involve in this implementation, project. So now implementation partner. So that company which implements SAP, they will decide now who are the consultants they are going to involve for implementation project. On average, the team size for implementation of SAP to domestic clients is 15. Suppose if the client also is in the same country where implementation partner is, that is called domestic clients. For implementation of the SAP with the domestic clients, the minimum number of consultants is 15. Next, the team size for implementation of SAP to foreign client is 60. Whereas if the client is in another country, implementation partner is in a different country, then the team size for implementation of SAP is 60. Next, They will pick one core user from each module and core user will be in touch with the consultants throughout the implementation projects. Some spelling wrong is here. Throughout the implementation projects. Here, what these consultants will do is they will pick core user from client organization from each module. Suppose for SAP SD, one core user will be there. And for other modules also, they will pick some core users. And this from implementation consultants and core user from client organization, they will be in touch with each other for implementing the SAP project. Means here from implementation organization, suppose SAP SD consultant is there, then he will be in touch with SAP SD core user from client organization. As I already told you, core user means he is experienced SAP user from client. He is also not specialist in SAP, but he is some experienced SAP user from client organization. Next, consultant facilities. Consultant facilities. If it is a domestic project, all the consultants will go to client place for implementing SAP. So if it is a domestic project, if the client is a domestic client, then all consultants will go to client organization for implementing SAP. Next, if it is foreign project, from each module one consultant will go to client place, and rest of the team, will work from office. So if it is a foreign project, from each module, one consultant. From SD, sales and distribution, one consultant. From FICO, one consultant. From HR module, one consultant. They will go to client place, and remaining people will work from the implementation partner office only. Next. Next, go live dates. Go live. Go live dates. What is meant by go live dates? I will explain. It is a date from which client will start using SAP. So this is the date from which we hand over, the implementation partner will hand over total SAP to client organization. From that day onwards, client organization can utilize SAP in their day-to-day activities. That date is called go live date. Next, after completion of project preparation stage, the implementation partner management will come back to office and conduct kickoff meeting. So in project preparation stage, each consultant will get required information from corresponding core user from client organization. After getting all the information, all these consultants will come back to their own office. That means implementation partner office, and they all of them conduct one meeting, that is kickoff meeting. In this meeting, they will invite all consultants across all modules that are going to involve this implementation project. So in this meeting, all consultants from all modules will involve to discuss about implementation project. Next, what they discuss in kickoff meeting, I will mention now. Kickoff meeting agenda. First, introduction about the client. Introduction. About the client. Yes, spelling is wrong. Introduction about the client. Second thing, rules and regulations of clients. Rules and regulations of clients. Next, role and responsibilities. Role and responsibilities. Consultants. Next, core users list. Core users list. This core users list is very, very important because these consultants will meet their corresponding core users for the rest of the time to implement SAP. Next, go live dates. Go live dates. And starting dates. So they will decide what is the starting date to start the implementation project, and they will decide go live date also. That means what is the final date by which the implementation partner can hand over SAP to client organization. Now, next, after kickoff meeting, all the consultants will move to client's place for implementing SAP. So all the clients will go to client organization for implementation of SAP. Now they will start. Second phase of SAP methodology. That is blueprint phase. So this is in short form, that is called BBP. So now the second phase will begin, that is blueprint phase. Thanks for listening to my course.